Finally, we are going to exploit our first ever vulnerability in this whole course, that is HTML injection. And in this whole course, we are going to exploit many vulnerabilities, from which HTML injection is one of the first vulnerabilities that we are going to look at. Now, what is HTML injection? So basically, HTML injection is a type of attack that allows the attacker or hacker to inject a malicious code, or you can say malicious HTML code, that can alter the display of our particular website, and the goal is to manipulate how the page is displayed, often to trick people or redirect to them other website or steal their data or any other malicious intent. Why it happens actually? So basically, HTML injection happens when the website is not completely sanitized and it is asking for some user input, and it is also accepting some other codes as well. And that's how HTML injection works when it is not sanitized and not trying to escape any other code. And this lets the attacker inject that code. For example, from server side, the website is using this code to display your name after a welcome message. When attacker puts this code, what this website will output is welcome, hacked, because the hacker injected a malicious HTML code that is now displaying some other information. We will also get to learn how we can protect this. We will see a short source code in upcoming lectures, how we can protect against HTML injection and how we can help others from getting affected by HTML injection. So this is it for the introduction video, and let's get a hand on practically.